I'm Dr. Cal Gadraj, and let's queer up health. Gilead backs down on HIV drug price hikes for state assistance programs. In a major win for HIV advocates, Gilead Sciences has reversed course on plans to raise prices for its HIV medications sold through state AIDS drug assistance programs, or ADAPs. The company's initial plan to impose high single-digit price hikes would have gutted these programs, which provide life-saving treatment for more than 100,000 low-income Americans living with HIV. The reversal follows intense pressure from Can Community Health, AIDS Healthcare Foundation, and more than 100 organizations nationwide. In a letter to Gilead CEO Daniel O'Day, they urged the company to halt its proposed hikes. ADAPs are a national safety net for people who can't afford medication, and advocates warn that any increase could mean fewer prescriptions for those in need. Critics say the move fits a pattern under O'Day's leadership, prioritizing profits over access. For now, HIV advocates are celebrating a rare victory in the ongoing fight for affordable treatments. Right now, our healthcare is already, at risk. We have hundreds of thousands of people who are losing their benefits.
Open enrollment just started.
Enrollment just started. My premiums have gone triple.
You freaked me out when you told me about yours.
Wow. Even from my own personal healthcare. So I can't imagine what it's like for a family. People who have partners and children, that have to afford health insurance for everyone. Our community that's affected by HIV is already disenfranchised. We have a large, very low income part of the community also. And if they can't get their medication, we can't stop the spread of HIV. Yeah. And that is a main part of this. Can Community Health is part of the Ending the Epidemics campaign from the World Health Organization. And our goal is to end the epidemic by the year 2030. Things like this set us back decades.
Oh my God.
That's so scary. And Miami's number one. We're number one. We're number one. We're number one in the most, what's the word I'm looking for? Most infections. Most infections. And it's, and it's usually, like Cal said, right? Underserved Black and brown communities for the most. Black women are number one in most infections every year. And that's been that way for at least 5 to 10 years at this point. Like, it's crazy, So, finally a corporate reversal that doesn't make me roll my eyes.
Right. Well,
can I finish?
Yeah, sorry. Thought you were done.
I wasn't done rolling my eyes. Okay.
Well, smack my ass and call me Marie Curie. Bravo to Gilead Sciences for doing the right thing. With any luck, other pharmaceutical monoliths will follow suit and keep their life-saving treatments within reach for all.
Amen. Amen.
Agreed.
It means that thousands keep access, right? That's to life-saving HIV meds, right? And that is worth celebrating, and we are celebrating that at this table. But let's be super clear about this. Compassion shouldn't need a press release. I'm sorry.
It's about doing the right thing.
It's about doing the right thing, but affordable treatment isn't charity. It should be humanity, and it's not these days. Yeah. And I'm very well aware of that. That's why this is even more important during this time, right?
Absolutely.
Well, there is no other queer nonprofit media platform like this in the entire world. Support our LGBTQ stories by sharing them and subscribing to Queer News Tonight.